The web access is a setting with which you can access spaces via the WebApp, previously web client. The following information apply in general. Upon creating a space, the web access is disabled by default. The exception is if you create the space within the web app in your browser. If you create a space, you automatically become the space administrator. As an account manager, because of the zero-knowledge principle, you cannot make changes directly to spaces if you are not the space administrator at the same time. You can only set global rules for your account which apply to newly created spaces. Existing spaces must be edited by their space administrator. As a space administrator, you have the following options. The web access can be changed by the creator or any other administrator of the space at any given time. Upon creating a space, click on Show Advanced Options. There you will find the web access. Within the information of the space, the eye symbol on the right-hand side, click Advanced. There you will find the setting for the web access. As account manager, you have the following options. As the manager of a TeamDrive account, you can change the security settings of your spaces. Navigate to the shop and find licenses/depots. At the bottom of the page, you will find the security settings and an individual for the web access. Please note that these settings only apply to newly created spaces and not existing ones. Furthermore, as a manager, you can access the administration console and edit the same settings there. The administration console can only be accessed as a manager. You will find the settings on the account level. The link to the console can be found below the security settings within the shop.